famous Vimana man to see you again. Yes, yes, right. World famous Vimana man to see you again. As you can see today, I'm dressed up so smartly, and today we are in the Oxford Courtyard Marriot Hotel in the United Kingdom. Yes, yes, right. Oxford Courtyard in the nice splendid setting that we're here right now. And look at this nice beautiful hotel setting we're here right now. Look at these wonderful lights. That looks like the Vimana spaceship. Yes, yes, right. Look like the Vimana spaceship. So this is going to be a small tour we're going to do sooner or later, and we'll give you a tour right now when we are ready. So ciao for now. Right, we're walking to the room right now, and as you can see, it's all about the Gucci. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. So we're walking right now, and this carpet is so plush. Yes, yes, right. I feel like I'm walking on the moon right now. So this room number is 133. Yes, yes, right. We're going to 133, and this is the room that we're going to be coming in right now, and we'll give you a good tour around. So stay tuned, earthlings. Buongiorno! Yes, that's right. Buongiorno to you, earthlings, from the Vimana man. Yes, that's right. The year is 2022, and I come straight down from Marriot to see you earthlings again. My spaceship is parked outside. Yes, yes, right. I'm in Oxford right now, and this location, the hotel I'm in, is Oxford South. Oxford South, the brand is Marriott. So anyway, I'm at this hotel right now, and the room is 133. Hope you earthlings all well, and we're going to do a quick tour at this particular hotel. But before we do a tour, I'm going to give you a rundown on the fashion that I'm wearing right now. So today, the Vimana man, he's got a fantastic brand, is Helllo. Yes, that's right. These are Helllo sunglasses as well. Really nice designer, cool looks, yes. It's all about Milan inspired, and I'm going to talk about this brand, and I'll show you my clothing in a minute. So basically, this is the brand of Helllo, the renaissance of the responsible Italian craftsmanship. Yes, yes, right. So basically, this brand was founded in Milan with the ideas of promoting concept of smart luxury. Yes, yes, right. They believe in the idea of the world where people aspire to become the best version of themselves through that of action and gesture. Smart luxury is a modern interpretation of the human being's path in the world with versatile and casual style. Yes, that's right. They also say that they pride themselves in believing the importance of family values and continuous search of bright side, basically. So yeah, so this is the Italian brand I'm wearing today. You've seen all my other clothing that I wear, Versace, Dolce & Gabbana, there's Prada, there's Helllos, but today I'm wearing this Helllo to come today to enjoy my stay at Oxford. So basically, this particular garment I've got here right now, it's as you can see, is the Helllo brand, and it's a really nice material as well. As you can see, I'll do a 360 for you earthlings. Yes, yes, right. 360 tour for you earthlings, and it really feels plush. And look at that, I've still got the label on as well. Yes, yes, right. So basically, and I also got my Dolce & Gabbana belt on as well, just a contemporary look, and I've got my nice shoes as well. Yeah, it's all about casual wear, and this particular suit as well, you can actually have different styles. Today I've got a roll neck on. You can wear this with a t-shirt, you can also wear it with a shirt. But you can also wear it with a nice t-shirt as well, and you can do a nice summer look. And these particular trousers, you can actually turn them up to here if you want, and wear the boat shoes as well. Yes, that's right. It's actually making you feel fantastic. Yes, that's right. Fantastic. Because it's all about elevating yourself to the next level. So this particular garment, you can coordinate with different garments as well to make you feel just the best, just like the Vimana man. So anyway, now we're going to give you a quick tour. So right now, we're on this room here has actually got 2 single beds here right now. Just come back from the Vista Village shopping, and we've got the Gucci as well. Yes, right. Gucci. So anyway, this is a nice, wonderful bed system here. We've got a nice lighting system as well. So these lights go on and off, and you can even turn the lights backwards and forward. And these are nice luxury pillows we got here. Nice contemporary yellow look here. Yep, with a nice diamond effect. And also there's a nice artwork here, which I can see here, which really looks like a nice deco. And we also got a nice table lamp and a table as well. So if you want to write some postcards or some memoirs, feel free to do some. And then we also got a nice telephone system here as well. And on top of that here, we've got a nice tea and coffee here. You can have your little tea and coffee drinking as well station here. And if you want to make a cup of tea. And also there's some nice drawers here as well. Yes, right. And also you also have a nice safe as well. If you've got some safe things you want to protect, you can put that in here as well. And along with that, we've got this cupboard here, just basic here. You've got an ironing board and iron. There's some pillows in there so you can put your clothes in storage. It's all about being quick and enjoy yourself. And there's a TV here as well. And now we're going to be stepping in to show you the bathroom suite as well. And this room is really quite spacious, and it really feels airy. This particular hotel, I believe it's about 2018, so it's been built really well. So as you can see, this is a nice modern look. Nice glass doors here. You can see a nice solid handles. And as we step this way, we also have a nice toilet amenities as well. We've got all the shower gel, shampoo, toothbrush, razor blade. This is a nice basin as well with the lighting system. So if you ladies like to do a bit of makeup, you can do your makeup as well. Put your lipstick. You just look just great in this mirror. Yes, right. And also there's a toilet, and we also have a nice shower system here. Yeah, there's a shower razor rail and nice tiles as well. So it's looking just fantastic. Yes, right. Talk about fantastic. I've got to go now, and I've got to get freshened up because I'm a tired man. So I'm going to write some memoirs back at home for all my family back at home on Vimana, and I'll see you soon. So take care, and I love you. So ta-ra for now.